In the recent WWDC event, Apple finally showcased iOS 18 and developer beta is available. Now you can see I've already installed iOS 18 developer beta. With this new iOS 18, you get a small feature. You can set a lock to an application. So that's a good thing. Now before getting into the process, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before iOS 18, setting an app lock was possible with the help of shortcuts application. We need to create some automations and then we can, set a lock to selected applications. There was no option to lock shortcuts application back then. Still, there is no option to, set a lock to shortcut application even now with the new update. Now, I will talk about it later. Now let's take a look at how to lock any one particular application which you want. So let's say for example purpose, if I open App Store for now, you can see I can access the application, and to set a lock, all you have to do is you just have to tap and hold on that particular application and you will get a new option which is require Face ID. Select that option. You will get a pop-up screen like this. Now on this particular page, again, you have to select require Face ID and it will scan your face. And once the scanning is done, we have successfully set a lock to App Store. Now if I try to open that particular app, now you can see it is asking Face ID. So once I scan it, I can access that application. Similarly, if you try to set a lock to another application, again tap and hold, select require Face ID, again require Face ID. Scan your face, and if you get a pop-up screen like this, select done. Now if I try to open wallet, it will ask me to scan Face ID. So now you know how to lock application in iPhone, but there is a catch. As I told you, there is no option to set a lock to shortcut application even after this new update. So if I tap and hold on it, now you can see there is no Face ID option over here. And not just this, if I want to, lock settings application, there is no option to set a lock to settings app as well. Now for most of the third-party application, we can still set a lock. For example, if I tap and hold on WhatsApp application, you can see we get an option of require Face ID. Similarly, if I take a look at another third-party application, if I tap and hold on it, we get require Face ID option over here. So we can set an app lock to most of the third-party application, but the Apple applications which are already there in your phone, some of the application supports app lock, but some of the application still doesn't support app lock. So Apple really needs to work on this particular thing. That's how simple it is to set a lock to any particular application or some of the application in your iPhone. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.